Welcome back to another brand new episode of Letters with Peggy Pig. That's me, Peggy. Did you know the bottom of the oceans have thriving communities? At the bottom of the ocean, there are small underwater volcanoes spewing scalding hot water gases and chemicals like methane and ammonia. They're called hydrothermal vents. It's a dark place to live, but some animals love it there. Giant tube worms over 6 feet long. Can you imagine? Clams and shrimp call these vents homes. The tube worms have bacteria inside them that make food out of the methane and ammonia from the vents. Isn't that amazing? Okay, dinos. Now, choose your favorite color crayon and write your name. By the way, your letters are getting so perfect every single week. Now that we're done, let's read the directions. Red T. What do you see? I see a green T-Rex looking at me. Let's read it one more time. Red T. What do you see? I see a green T-Rex looking at me. What color do we color the T? It says red T. What color? Great job! Let's grab our red color crayon and color the red T. By the way, dinos, I'm so proud of you every single week. Seeing you here, joining me for every single worksheet episode. You make me so proud. While we are coloring, I want to know, how was your week this week, dinos? Did you do something fun? Can you share with me? Wow, Dino, that sounds like a lot of fun. I wish I could join you. I also want to mention how great you guys are at coloring. And stay inside the lines. Practice makes perfect, Dino. Great red T. Now what do we color the T-Rex? It says, I see a green T-Rex. What do we color the T-Rex? Great job! Green! Let's grab our green crayon and let's color the T-Rex. Green! To the right, you'll see the green T-Rex, in case you need help, dinos. Hey, my dinos, do you want to know something about the T-Rex? Did you know that the T-Rex has strong thighs and a powerful tail, which balance its large head? His skull were 5 feet long, and that allowed them to move quickly because the tail balanced the head out. But because T-Rex had short arms, long arms could be broken and he would have been vulnerable to disease. And it takes a lot of energy to maintain, so having short arms may have been beneficial to the king in the long run. Now I'm going to color the spikes yellow. This way they stand out. What color did you color the spikes? You could color it any color you like. Oh, that's a great color, dinos. Now that I'm done, I'm going to color the mouth of the T-Rex red. This way, it looks like a ferocious T-Rex, don't you think? Whoa, check out that T-Rex! Did you know that Tyrannosaurus has short arms? Look how tiny his arms are. Okay, now on to my favorite part, the background. You could color it anything your imagination wants to draw. Today, I'm going to draw some volcanoes. Hey dinos, want to hear a joke? Okay, what song does T-Rex dislike the most? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Get it? He can't clap his hands because they're too short. All jokes aside, the dinosaur T-Rex arms were too short to reach its mouth. Can you imagine if T-Rex had long arms? He would be the craziest dinosaur ever! Now that I'm done drawing the volcano, I'm going to color the bottom green so it looks like it's on land. And what happens when the volcano erupts? That's right, it explodes of lava. So I'm going to draw the lava spewing out of the volcano. First, I colored it orange. Then I'm going to add red so it looks like molten lava. And now I'm going to add some yellow to it so it looks like it's really exploding lava. Doesn't it look amazing, dinos? I'm glad you like it, dinos. You make me so happy when you like everything I do. And I like everything you do because you're fantastic. Now, I'm going to draw some clouds, but I'm going to draw it gray because it looks like it's the ashes in the air. I'm almost done, dinos. One last cloud. And there you have it. Doesn't that look amazing? T-Rex is really in his element. Whoa, check out that T-Rex and all the molten lava. Can't wait to see you next week, dinos. Bye.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!